Hey friends! It's been a while since I made a video. Really sorry. But you know, it's just life. And sometimes I don't feel like it. But my favorite holiday is just around the corner, and that is Valentine's Day. And so I had to take this opportunity to make a video, tell you guys what my plans are, and hopefully it'll inspire you to do something. I would really love to know if you guys celebrate Valentine's Day. What do you like to do for it? I feel like we focus too much on thinking that it's a holiday for like our significant other, when really it's just a holiday that celebrates love. And honestly, what could be better? That's why it's my favorite. I love like the cheesiness of it. I love like the pink and red and the cutesiness. It is my favorite, okay? So I really wanted to do something to kind of celebrate some of the new friendships I have here in Wisconsin, and just to let some of these women that are in my life now, let them know that they're loved and just have a really good time with them. And so I have about 12 girls coming over here tomorrow for a Galentine's Day event. And I could not be more excited because it's like my favorite things, hanging out with girls, celebrating Valentine's Day, a girls event. I love like ladies events, girls events, like all that kind of stuff. I love it. So this is like, it's everything great. I get to decorate, super cheesy, and it's making me really happy. And I'm gonna bring you guys along and kind of show you like what my plans are. We're basically gonna be like transforming my house into this really fun place. So tomorrow they're gonna be coming over here. I have like so much cooking and crafting I have to do still today. I told them not to bring anything. I'm just going to take care of like everything. I just want them to come and relax and have fun. So we're going to be making some simple things, like I'm working on meatballs, different kinds of sandwiches, charcuterie board, just that kind of stuff, where they can just kind of mix and match what they want. So I'm going to have them come over. I'm going to love on them, let them know that they're loved, they're cherished. Hopefully they're going to have a great time while they're here. And then also I'm going to be having them do a little craft so that hopefully they'll go out into the world and they'll spread that love to another woman, to somebody else. And, you know, then maybe that person will do the same thing. So I'm going to kind of hopefully motivate them, show them what to do. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I just wanted to show you guys what we're going to do, what we're going to be crafting. And yeah, go from there. So I have like a balloon thing I have to make. I got, like I said, lots of cooking and crafting I have to do. So we're gonna get started. Let's go.
Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
Hey you guys, it is party day. I'm still rocking my pajamas. I don't really want to get dressed until right before people get here because I'm afraid I'm going to get messy. But so I'm going to show you guys, I've been working on a balloon wall since yesterday. And I did a lot of research. I've never done a balloon wall this way before. I'll show you guys. I've actually never done a balloon wall. I've done lots of other balloon things, never a wall. And so I did it the way that like I found was suggested on YouTube and stuff, and it has been a disaster. Look. So, I mean, it probably doesn't look bad to you guys, but all of that fell down over the night. Like, I don't know, my balloons will not stay in, my flowers will not stay in. So all of these were up here. And this morning, it looks like a disaster to me. Because this is not, I have like a whole bunch of gaps now where you can see my string. I have like empty spots right there that were filled. A bunch of my flowers are just kind of like falling. Like, what is this? So, I don't know. So when you research how to do this, it says to use glue dots, which is what I've been using, but they're just not sticking. Like overnight, everything has fallen almost everything has fallen that I stuck with a glue dot. So another thing people say to use is a low heat glue gun. Well, I've been using that, and half the time it works, but half the time my balloons pop. So that's not good because I don't want to keep risking, even if I pop half of these, that's still too many. So I just put an order in, like right now, to have some other, I'm going to try some double-sided tape, and I ordered more dots that say they're like super sticky, so I don't know if they're going to be more sticky than the ones I got on Amazon, but I'm going to give that a try. Hopefully I can get this situated. It's like my #1 priority right now. I still have some cooking to do before everybody comes over here. I still have some cleaning to do. I got my bouquets ready. So I made these 2 little bouquets yesterday. They're pretty. I think they're really pretty. And I did get this done. I'm so excited. So each of them will get their own little bouquet. So yeah, as of right now, I have to, #1 priority, fix that darn balloon wall. That was the thing I thought would be, I've done them so many times, I was not worried about it, and it's ended up being the most stressful thing I'm doing. So I gotta finish getting that going. I have charcuterie board, I have food to make, I have to clean this house, I have to get myself ready. I did my makeup just so I would have that done and I could just do touch-ups. Would have to do my hair. I haven't done a thing since I got it wet. It's just air dried. So anyways, lots to do. Okay, I have no idea if it's gonna stay, but I got everything up. So I ended up gluing it with these. So if it holds, these are the way to go. It says they're strong grip, instant bond, stick it dots. I've tried the other brands of these and they didn't hold. So far, nothing's fallen. Hopefully nothing else will fall, and it's good to go. So I have to start making food now. So I'm gonna go do that. Hey guys, it is the end of the night. Do I look exhausted? Because I feel exhausted. My balloon wall is suffered much. It keeps falling. I absolutely would love to know if anybody has any tips of how to get these things to stick. Please tell me in the comments. Like, I have to know what is the secret so this doesn't happen, because there's gotta be a way, because people do this. So if you know the way, please help me out. But I'm gonna close this video out. I had all the ladies make like little Valentine's Day cards that they can hopefully go and give to another woman, a stranger, just like you guys have seen me and Leia do in countless other videos. Or I encourage them to give them flowers with their cards, or put a gift card in there, or just whatever. There's so many ways you can do that. And so we had like a card making station. I totally forgot to record that, so I'm really sorry. And I really wish I would have showed you guys the card. Well, my camera battery just died, and this is my phone camera. So I think what I was saying is we were making cards. It was a lot of fun. I wish I would have recorded it and showed you guys, but you know, you just get caught up doing things and I forgot. But the cards they made were so beautiful. Lael has one of hers saved, so I'm gonna have her show you guys the one that she made. But it was such a fun activity if you are gonna do an event like this, like a Galentine's Day event, or maybe for Mother's Day even or something. It's really fun, and it was really cool to see everything everybody made. So let's go find Lael and I'll show you guys her card because it's super cute. But some of them made like 5 or 6 cards. It's really just gonna be the envelope. Here, you can show it to me.
Yeah, I already put it in the envelope. Oh, here's the one side. I made an origami heart. And here's the other side.
So like all the cards they made, they were like this, like so beautiful. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. I think the party was a success. What do you think, Leo?
Yeah.
It was fun. But now we're more than tired. It's like so late and I can barely keep my eyes open. So we're gonna go. Well, hope that encouraged you guys and hope it gave you some good ideas of how you can be a blessing to somebody else. All the roses we had are gone. I did make a little prayer table. I'll show that to you guys really quick. Lael was probably getting ready to close out the video for me. I had a little prayer thing for them. So also just another little idea if you guys want to do something like this. It says leave a prayer request, take a prayer request, and then I just had these little notebooks here. And so obviously they're all gone now, but everybody just wrote a little prayer request. And then when they left, they took one. Hopefully somebody else's. But yeah, so it was fun. Okay, so now I'm really gonna close it out, and I hope that you guys enjoyed spending the day with me today. Make sure that you stand aglow wherever you go. Bye guys.